Let's see if we can hear the ice settling. No, it's not doing it. What's that? Catch the noise of the ice.
Quiet for a second, then if he's going to record, try to get some ice.
I'm going to turn on the gas here. There we go, we got it. One shot. We're going to put our brats on here. We're actually going to put beer in here. We're going to put beer in there. We got some onions over here. I'm not going to heat them up yet. But she's cooking. Okay. Yeah, she's starting to cook. We're going to put some beer in there. We actually boiled it. And we'll have that. Not put too much action, no beer. But great day out here. We're patient. So guys, we burnt a hole in the aluminum. The thing is to put the beer in there first before you put it on there, because the gas just burned a hole right in there. So just a little tip, which we messed up. Canteen Cup Tuesday, little beer, brats, ice fishing. Officially classified as Canteen Cup Tuesday. There we go. We got some more brats we're going to cook up in there too. So, that's it, man.
I think what I'm going to do,
we're doing fine.
Put this on this.
Yeah. See what happens to the aluminum.
Yeah.
Canteen Cup is fine though. I don't know what that sound is. Get some more brats here, man. Our nice Canteen Cup here. This segment will be Canteen Cup Tuesday. Even though we're on the ice fishing. But of course there's our bad boy over there. But yeah. Got the onions there. There's the Canteen Cup right there. Cooking in water and beer. You see that? You see the brats boiling there? So we're doing fine here, man. Beautiful day. Beautiful day.